You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting